Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll talk about how to animate sprites in Scratch. We know that animation is an essential part of games. So before creating complete projects, we need to know how to animate sprites in Scratch. So let's get started. Animating your sprites in Scratch games adds a professional touch to your games, and it's very easy to do. Let's animate the Scratch cat. First, we need to check if the Scratch cat has multiple costumes. In Scratch, a costume is an alternate image that can be used to switch the appearance of a sprite. Sprites added from the sprite library may or may not have multiple costumes already included. You can have view a sprite's costumes by clicking the Costumes tab at the top of the screen. Each sprite will have a different number of costume options. Click on the Costumes tab at the top of the screen, and yes, you're in luck! The cat has two costumes, named Costume 1 and Costume 2. To create animation, we switch very quickly between these two costumes. To switch a sprite's costume, you can use the next costume block. The next costume block is found in the purple looks menu. Let's practice animating the cat by changing the costume when the space key is pressed. So now we should bring from events with space key pressed. Then we are bringing from Luke's next costume and we should put them together. Now press the space key a few times. Hey look, he's walking in place. Our animation code works, but pressing the space bar over and over is kind of annoying. Isn't there a better way? Yes, actually there is. We can use loops. Loops are found in Control Block menu. The most used block is repeat 10 and forever. Now we are bringing repeat 10 times. And we should put next costume in repeat 10 times and put it when space key pressed. And also we can take when space key pressed and put it back. And we can bring when green flag is clicked from events. Now we can push the green flag. You see, the cat is walking, but it's annoying pushing green flag every time. Instead of repeat 10 times, we can bring forever loop from control section. If you make something with forever loop, there's no way back. Okay, I'm just kidding. You can come out of forever loop by clicking the red stop button near the green flag. Now let's bring next costume. And now let's test it by clicking green flag. Oh, it's so fast we can barely see how it works. Instead of looking so fast, we can bring from a control section a wait block. And we should put wait block in the forever loop. Instead of wait 1 second, we should put 0.3. Now when we push the green flag, you see that cat walks normally. So that's how you can animate the sprite in Scratch. So I think this video was helpful for you. So see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.